G'day everyone, this is Chriso. I'm just mixing up my grout now. I'll pump this grout out. So I put in, to mix that amount, I put in probably 8 mil of water. I never mix a huge amount. I mix it as I need it. Because you're only filling 1.5 mil lines, you know, you don't need to go absolute bloody overboard and mix a bucket full, you know, a 20 litre bucket. No. Right, got to find my squeegee. I'll pop back in a sec. Right, so we'll go again. See the texture I've mixed up my grout. It's sort of runny toothpaste consistency, because this is a it's not a shiny tile. So you got to mix it up fairly moist, not too runny that it drips off. See, it holds its texture on the squeegee. That's the consistency. You don't have to put it in at a 45-degree angle and all that carry on. No. Just slap it on. Slap it in. I always keep a Stanley knife handy. Sometimes you come across a little bit of glue. So you just take it out, easy peasy. When you're grouting, you try and work to a bit of a system. And then the chance of missing stuff is, you know, if you have a system, well then you don't miss pieces. Try and wipe off as much excess as you can, or you'll use twice the amount of grout. See how I'm doing my top? I like to try and keep it square. Because then it looks nice painted. And here you don't silicone because it's going to be painted. You pop grout in. And then it's paintable. All right, people. I'll come back to you soon. That just needs to be left just a couple of minutes. So I'll carry on doing this and then I'll start wiping that off. See you soon. This is Chris O. Lean in and learn heaps, people. See you soon.